Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Before you dive in, hit that subscribe, like, and share. Your support means the world to me. My name's Emily Lynn, 28. I work at a cozy coffee shop in Seattle. Every morning, I serve lattes to sleepy commuters, while the city wakes under a soft drizzle. My life? Warm but quiet. Like a rainy day that never ends. Then came David Chen. A calm, kind architect, who walked in one crisp fall morning. He ordered a black coffee, smiled with eyes steady as the Space Needle. And somehow, my world lit up. A few months later, I brought him home to meet Mom. She opened the door in her gray linen dress, smiling bright. But when she saw David, something shifted in the air. Her eyes froze for just a second. His smile held a flicker of surprise. I brushed it off, thinking maybe it was just nerves. That night, we all had dinner. Seattle rain tapped the porch roof. The smell of baked pies filled the air. Mom laughed. David smiled. But every now and then, his gaze drifted toward the window. Quiet, distant. A few weeks later, while cleaning out Mom's old chest, I found a diary. Its leather cover cracked with age. Curiosity got the best of me. Inside, the inked words whispered stories. From 20 years ago. About a young architect. About late-night talks by the waterfront. About how she once loved someone deeply. But they parted for different paths. My heart froze. An architect. In Seattle. Could it be David? That night, as rain misted the streets, I asked him straight out. David, did you ever know someone named Lynn? He stopped walking. His umbrella tilted slightly. Raindrops spilling down the edge. Yes, he said quietly. Your mom. It was a long time ago, Emily. We were both lost souls back then. She helped me through rough years. And when life pulled us apart, we said goodbye with respect, not regret. My chest tightened. The city noise faded. This wasn't betrayal. But it hurt in ways I couldn't name. The next morning, I sat on the porch with Mom. She was mending a curtain. Needle gliding through cloth like stitching up time. Mom, I said softly. I read your diary. She paused. Her hand trembled just slightly. Then she looked at me calm, steady. Emily, she said. I should have told you sooner. Back then, I was young, your father was ill. And David was just starting out. We cared for each other. But our worlds didn't fit. He found success, I found strength. That's all. Her eyes glistened. Not with shame, but with peace. Sweetheart, she whispered. Life gives us chapters. Some we close, so we can write new ones. That evening, David came by. The air was soft with spring rain. We sat together. 3 souls, one long story. Mom smiled gently. David, I'm glad life led you here again. Not for the past, but for what you've become. David nodded. Grateful. Thank you, Mrs. Lin. I promise to take care of Emily and honor the kindness you showed me years ago. Tears welled up in my eyes. It wasn't a perfect story, but it was real. And it healed something deep inside us all. Now, every time rain brushes the Seattle streets, I remember that night. The diary. The truth. And how love, when honest, never truly ends. It simply changes form. If you've ever uncovered a secret that changed how you see love, share your story in the comments. Maybe your words will help someone heal too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more heartfelt stories. See you next time.